Customizing your dashboard tiles. This video shows how to customize your Helix Pulse dashboard. You can adjust the layout to prioritize the features you use most. To begin, enter Edit Mode from the home screen. Edit Mode allows you to rearrange, add, or remove tiles. To reorder a tile, press and hold it, then drag it to your preferred position. Placing frequently used features near the top can make access faster and more convenient. If needed, you can remove or hide tiles that you don't use regularly. This helps keep the dashboard clean and focused. You can also add available features back to the home screen at any time. Available options will appear within Edit Mode. When you're finished, exit Edit Mode to return to normal operation. Your layout changes are saved automatically. Customizing the dashboard allows you to tailor Helix Pulse to your daily routine. You can adjust the layout at any time as your needs change.